Hi, I'm Kevin Mottley with the Mottley Law Firm, and today I'd like to answer a question that we see a lot around here, and that is what happens if my child is hurt in some sort of an accident, like a car accident? Well, children, just like adults, have the right to sue in court for being injured and for personal injuries. And the things they can recover for being injured are the same sort of things that anybody else can. So they have rights too, which I'm assuming you knew already, but you do need to understand that your children have just as much rights as anybody else who's been injured in a car accident or any other type of accident. But these cases are different, and they're different because of a couple of factors. Number one, children are not as good as adults at being aware of changes that are going on due to an injury. They're not as good about complaining about things like where and how much pain is being experienced by them. They may not say things about how they're feeling that an adult may observe and be able to tell a doctor about, for example. So those are some of the issues. Another issue with cases involving children who are injured is that, particularly with brain injuries, you may not understand or see results or ramifications of a brain injury in a child for years. And so this leads to a real concern in brain injury cases for children of waiting long enough until you are confident or reasonably confident that you know how serious the injury is, whether it truly has resolved or not, and what long-term consequences there may be for the child. So when a child gets injured in an accident, or including a car accident, I think the most important thing is to get them checked out by their pediatrician. Make sure that everything that you've observed is communicated to the doctor and recorded in the notes that the doctor is taking about the incident. And then as a parent, just keep a real close eye on everything that you see and report that to the doctor as well. You don't want to see any gaps in treatment. For example, if a child's going through something from an accident, that will ultimately be used against the child when they try to recover for their injuries if there are gaps in treatment. So I hope that helps. We'll have some other information about child cases on our website, so please visit there and look at our frequently asked questions.